The HP Deskjet error code E indicates a problem with the ink cartridges. This issue can arise from several common causes, including issues with the ink cartridge heads, the presence of protective strips on the cartridges, or the use of incompatible consumables in the printer. To resolve the error code E, several solutions can be applied. One approach is to clean the cartridge metal heads by following a series of steps. Switch on the printer, open the scanner compartment, and allow the cartridges to move to the center. Then, remove the latches to release the cartridges. Take them out, and place them with the jets facing up on a paper towel. Next, slightly moisten a lint-free cloth and gently wipe the metal blades. After cleaning, return the cartridges to their docks, ensuring they are properly seated, and close the scanner door. Additionally, it is essential to remove all protective paper strips from the cartridges before installing them, as these can cause issues. Using the correct cartridges, as recommended by the manufacturer, is also crucial when replacing them. By taking these steps, the error code E can be effectively addressed and resolved.